Hi everyone, so welcome back to the channel. Gonna take a walk down the Levante Seafront today, just see how busy that is. As you've probably seen on previous vids I've done, Levante Seafront, that's rather busy. Quite a few people down on the beach down that end. Like, whether it's just because it's a nicer beach or what, I really don't actually know. I mean, could be now that the English are going off Benidorm. Quickly show you Madeira Centro across the road there. I'm not sure. I'm seeing something hanging off the sides. Oh. Okay, sorry guys. Nothing hanging off the sides. They're actual TV aerials on top of the apartment in front. God's sake. Anyway, I think that could be a question I ask in today's video. Is Benidorm losing the English? I mean, it's already been said that now it is rather quite cheaper to go Turkey all inclusive than it is to come here. So maybe the days of Benidorm being everyone's favourite place are slowly fading. I hope not. Anyway, gonna flip the camera out, show you down here. Of course, you can probably see where we're heading to now, the Levante Seafront. Beautiful restaurant here. Thought they'd be open by now, maybe. Probably open a bit later. Serious?
Absolutely packed.
Wow. So that must say something about it. Must be a good restaurant. Ice cream shop as well, and more we are. Always something about Benidorm, you get some pretty nice flavours of ice cream. Snickers, Kinder Bueno, Bailey's flavoured ice cream. I don't know if that would be nice actually. Bailey's is like coffee liqueur, ain't it? Mike says it's nice. Mike says it's nice. Maybe when I get a bit of money we'll come back and try it. I mean, I think the one I used to love over there, I used to get it from the shop halfway through Old Town. I think it were banana. Oh, hope me that don't blow off. Wind's picking up a bit. Anyway, yeah, I think it were like banana and it was strong, like it actually tasted like what it said it was. Gonna come on to the front now. Yeah, sadly Levante Beach looking a bit empty. I'll flip you around though. Got Tiki City here looking rather busy. Manila Cafeteria Bar and Restaurant as well looking busy. I think I'm settled on it then. So down on Levante end, the beach were busy, but the bars were a bit quiet. Down on the wing continent, Levante Beach, it's a beach that's quiet and the bars that are busy. So I guess the moral of the story, the British are alcoholics and the Spanish like to chill on the beach all day. Do you agree with that, Mike?
No, bollocks.
Anyhow, I mean, as you can see, the Guinness bar looking pretty busy, and so's the KU lounge. Yeah, you look onto the beach and well, it's rather quite quiet. I mean, look at this again. If I zoom in, you'll see you've got one of the meeting points for if your kid goes missing. But down here, you just got a whole big patch of empty sand where there's no one really sat trying to enjoy the day. Whereas down on Ponente side, yeah, it were rather busy, not much room even. Of course, so Levante Seafront has changed over the years since we've been holidaying here, and well, since we've lived here. I mean, I think from what I remember rightly, I could be mistaken, this little shop used to be like an ice cream shop, and Pinza de Roma, that bar there, I think that were an English bar back in the day. Seem to faintly remember some lad being sat in there sound asleep, snoring his head off as well. And no guys, it wasn't Mad Mike, even though he does snore. Got Urban Beach there, looks a nice little bar. From what I've heard though, pretty expensive, so not the best. Of course, like Ponente, you've got the obstacle course out there, and that is where you do book it. And I'll finish off by showing you the new American place here in Benidorm, Five Guys. Yeah, I'm surprised to see it's still actually there, to be honest. I know it probably shouldn't be saying that, but I mean, yeah, I am surprised to see it still open, even though coming up by it, it does look rather quiet. I mean, if you've seen the video we done of it, you'll know my thoughts on it. Very expensive and yeah, an absolute dump. Looks quite quiet, to be fair. Oh, I'll zoom in on that. Can you see that, guys? Still storing food out in the corridor by the toilets. Now, zoom out a bit there. I do not really know much about food hygiene, but surely storing food in a boiling hot corridor by toilets, like the toilets are down the end of the corridor, surely that's a bit unhygienic, is it not? I mean,
very unhygienic. They should be closed down for that.
Yeah, they should be closed down for that. I mean,
not store food by the toilet.
There's
surely
windows on the side, so like surely the food's getting quite warm as well. And I mean, as I said, the toilets are, I'll show you actually, I'll show you. The toilets are literally like right there, right in this bit. So like, the food's literally been stored like right up the end of the corridor, so yeah, probably not very hygienic, but maybe that's the new way of life. Throw out hygiene when it comes to owning a restaurant. Who knows? Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.